How's it going, everybody? This is a 2008 Ford Taurus X front-wheel drive model. I just finished doing a tune-up on it, new spark plugs, new coils, cleaned the throttle body, cleaned the intake valves, even though they were not bad at all, but I went and cleaned them anyway. Also replaced the PCV valve. Something to note. This is the one on the left is the one that came out of the car. The one on the right is the one that shows up if I either go to an auto parts store to buy it for this model, and I'm 100% sure, through VIN number and all, that I'm talking about the correct year, model, and whatnot. But if you go on even Napa Auto Parts, I walked into the store, told them my year, make, and model. The one on the left is the one they said it should be for it. Is not correct. Okay, so, and the problem is you have to remove the intake manifold before you get to this part. So, then you go ahead and order in advance all of your parts to do your tune-up. All the parts come in and you go diving in and you find out you've got the wrong PCV valve. So, I'm not sure why this is, because this car is all original. This is the EV257, as far as the Motorcraft cross-reference number. This one, EV261. Okay, so I cannot say why mine is showing this one versus the one every parts number cross-reference shows. I have no idea. So you might want to remove your intake manifold first and double check which one you need, this one or this one, because they're obviously quite different. This one $50, this one less than $10. Considerable difference. And yeah, you might be able to make this one work because it would fit in the hole, but the plug here is actually in your wiring harness more towards the front of the engine. So I'm sure you could make it work if you want to try and hack into your wiring and whatnot, but this is what came out of my car, and it is all original. Anywho, just thought it might be an interesting topic if you're about to do a tune-up on your 2008 or 2009 Ford Taurus X, because this part shows to be the correct one for tons of different Ford models, even as new as 2019. So, I really can't say. All I know is what I know. So be careful when you go to eBay or whatever website and you type in your year, make, and model, and you say, oh, mine's showing in the ad, it must be this one. Might not be. Anyway, tune-up is complete. I also reset the computer on the car using the beloved 4Scan software. Motor is running excellent. Still trying to sort out some transmission clunky shifting issues, which only happens at random. So I think that is going to be something electrical, like a sensor or a solenoid. I mean, it's not really a problem, but I notice it because I know my car and I know how it drives. Anyway, check out our other videos about this car. We're doing all kinds of service and repair and troubleshooting and fixing up and things like that. And this car was a disaster less than a month ago, and now it's looks better, runs better, smells better. It's doing well. Anywho, check out our other stuff. We're always posting new things. Subscribe, like, follow, blah, blah, blah. See y'all later.